Hello there, this is Temple Obunna from Jaratv Hustle channel and Jaratv Blog. Now, I'll be adding the blog because we have a blog also where you can go to get financial tips and helps and latest news that is happening in the world. But that is not why I'm here. Why I'm here is that I'm here to give you the best tips on how to get money, finance on the internet. And then I stumbled upon this platform. I know it has been there for a very long time, but I just stumbled upon it and I decided to bring it to your knowledge. So maybe some of you must have known about it, but for those that don't know about it, it's a platform where you can get $25, for creating a YouTube video. But then the YouTube video has a what disclaimer because you would have to have 10,000, what do you call it now, subscribers. But that is not where why I'm here. Is for you to get at least $2 or more per referral. Now, for every person, one particular person who clicks your link and sign up with his or her email, you get a $2. Now, this is not gimmicks. I will show you right away. Now, this is my own dashboard. I just decided to test it. Look at it. I have $8. I'll be doing a live test right now for you guys to see how it works. You understand? A complete live test for you guys to see how it works. I will be doing a complete live test. You understand, to show you how it works. So without wasting your time, let's jump right into the video. But before we do that, please and please, I've noticed most of my subscribers, they watch and then they don't subscribe. Please and please, if you subscribe, you'll be helping us grow and then helping YouTube understand that we are trying our best. It is really not easy. So really, sometimes we have to stay up until 3 o'clock, looking for sites, to bring like this. So please and please, it will do you no harm to just click the subscribe button and then watch this video to the end, because I will be giving you a trick on how I got this $8. You understand? I won't want to waste your time, but I'm moving right into the video straight. So let's go. This is my referral. Now this is not, there are other ways you can make money from this, like you can play games, that is, but the basic way I will show you is not like this. But then let's see how this works. Now you can play games, you can do free offers, you can do hot cash. Now in this hot cash, this is the part where I was telling you about, where you can, okay, no, sorry, not hot cash, the paid task, but we would get there. The hot cash is here. You can do surveys. A survey you're getting $65. For another survey you're getting $50. For another survey you're getting $60. Sorry, 60 cents. Sorry, all cents, not dollars. Sorry. Now for paid survey, this is where you will get your finance. Now I have completed this task, this one, for the $2 here. You understand? All you need to do is just for you to share your referral link on any of your social media platform, and then you copy your link from that your social media platform and paste it here, and then confirm registration, and then you get your $2. Now this is the one where you have to have at least 10,000 subscribers, and then you create a 5 minutes or less video, and then from your YouTube video, after you've created the video, you bring the link and then you paste it in, and then you get your how many dollars again did they say? $25. But that is not it. I want to show you how I got this one, which I know I only tested the app you get, and then I will be doing it subsequently, but I just want to show you how it works. Now take note of this amount. It's $8 here, you get. Now I'll be taking my referral link from here. Let's see, copy my referral link, copy, and then paste it here. Let's see, paste it here on my network. Okay, good. Now you sign up. Remember my previous what do you call it, account was $8. Now you put your what do you call it, country. It works for any country. Now this is Nigeria. I'm not a robot. And then continue. Now once you click you're not a robot and you continue, you put the name. Now you put your name. I have an account already. Don't forget to click this one, and then you say maybe Jane Samuel, email, let me see which email I can use now. I have a Jaratv info, I think, at gmail.com. Jaratv info at gmail.com. Streets, you can put your streets also. 13 Konai Streets. City Kaduna. I mean Kaduna actually. Yep. Zip code 800283. Country Nigeria. Phone number with country code. This is not really that necessary because they won't send you any what do you call it, verification, you understand. So you can just put any phone number 070 1122 okay, let's use this one, you understand. And then they use PayPal, they use Skrill, sorry, and they use Payer, you understand. Now if you don't have any of these accounts, I have created a video on how to get each of these accounts apart from this Skrill, which I will be creating a video on it, but I've created a video on how to get a PayPal account and how to get a Payer account. They are both easy to get, you understand, very easy, you understand. So for now I will be leaving this unchecked and this unchecked, you get. So all those ones are really not necessary, but your gender is necessary, you know, your gender. Let's just fill this: marital status, married, I'm not married of course. 10, date of birth, let's use April 5th 1990. Let's use this, that's not my real age please. Every week, and then that is all. If you like, seriously, if you like, you can check any of this one if you want. I think they say check 8. Okay, let's just check 8 of it, any 8 that feels your interest. 2 4 6 7 8, of course, affiliate marketing. And then your password, I always use okay, yeah, for your password you must use a password that does not have any symbol, just letters and numbers, no symbol like arts, you know, all those characters and the rest. Is only numbers. So let's use it again. I'm not a robot. Now there is another way how to bypass all this captcha, you understand. There's another way of bypassing all this captcha. So if you want to get that way, I will be doing a short tutorial on how to bypass all this captcha and the rest, you understand. So you need to save it, please don't forget, save it, because there is a little disclaimer to it. Now once you've done this, now you go back to your email, you understand, and then you verify your email. So I will be verifying my email through my phone, you understand, through my phone. Once I verify through my phone, I would get back to you immediately. So I'm just still trying to verify, you understand. Verified it, you understand. I've verified my email through my phone. So it's not this, it's jaratveinfo@gmail.com, and then your password, enter. Good. Now this is the account. Yes, save please. Now this is the account. It is showing here 0 because I used a different affiliate link to open this one. Now let me go back to that the main one that I have, my main account, and refresh. Now look at it, it's showing $8 here before. Let me refresh now. Let me refresh. Now you're seeing $10. You understand? So this is how it works. But now you cannot really create. Let's assume you want to create another account. Let's assume you want to create another account. You can't really use this same, what do you call it now, this same browser, you understand, to open another account. I don't know if you understand what I mean. So now you cannot really open or download like 15 or 20 browsers, you understand. So I will be giving you a simple trick that I use to do all this. Now you open your Chrome, you download Chrome on your system, and then you just come to add accounts, you understand. Then you click on continue without an account, you understand, you pick this, you give it a name, let's say JJJJ or something like that, you give it a name, and then done. Now you have a new browser you can use. You understand? So you can do this multiple times, you understand? And but there is a disclaimer to this. Seriously, there is a disclaimer to this, because before you can withdraw this your money, the person you what do you call it, you invited must have made $4. Now to make $4 in that your account, it means you have to invite two more accounts. That's creating two more emails. You understand? So how can you now open numerous emails? Also, you really don't need to do that. All you have to do is you go to your, what do you call it now, your browser. You understand? And then you type for temporary emails. And oh, sorry, I'm using Chrome Opera Mini GX. That is the best browser right now. Temporary email. Now you click the first, where's that one? This one. Let's see. So with this, you can get multiple emails and numerous emails. You understand? At least, and then each two email you use, you're getting $2. I don't know if you understand what I mean. Now let's assume you use your main account to refer. You understand? And then that account you referred, you're using, you refer two other people, you get $2 to your main account. Then you use your main account to refer another two, like another one, and then from that one you're getting $2 more again. You understand? So this is how it accumulates. I don't know if you understand. So I'm just trying to help you understand this. So you come to temporary email. Okay. Now once you get to temporary email, you'll be given a temporary email that you can use for this part. So now look at it. You copy this email and you can use it for any other site and any other account you want to refer. So you can do this, and then once it comes to the message, now your inbox is empty because you haven't gotten any mail. But once you get a mail from what do you call it, from the website, which I'll be leaving the link for you, it comes here, and then you just take the link and then you do the same process. So that is just it. So this is all I have for you guys today. Please and please do like, subscribe, click the bell notification icon, please and please, because it took me almost 7 to 8 hours to get the site, and then creating the videos and the rest. Please and please, your like and subscription will be very, very much needed for me. Thank you and thank you. Do have a wonderful day, and remember, God loves you.